Hi guys, Tabish here with quick photo tip on Tashify YouTube channel. So here I'm going to share a very quick photo tip with you to how to turn this photo which I get directly from camera. I'm using Sony A7. It's full frame and I shoot that photo at 1/40th of the second with f5.6 ISO 2500 at 70 mm. So even with that slow shutter speed, I have managed to capture the movement, which is pretty useful. But I'm a big fan of black and white, so I will turn this photo into this, and it gives a completely different look and feel. So let's start from the scratch. So first I will pull in some overall whole histogram into a middle, and then I will add some contrast, and I would like to have more light around here because I want this part more brighter when I turn it into a black and white. So and then let's see, we add some shadows, and it was not the fastest lens and the shutter speed was very low. Even then I have managed to lock the good focus, and it was on manual focus I was testing on. So I bring down some blacks and also whites. Here we see I want to highlight some red part on the lips, and here I will add some red saturation. Now you see it's more red, and rest I will not touch at this stage. I will go down and apply some noise reduction up to 30% because still photo is not super sharp enough. So if I add more noise reduction, it will be very smooth photo. And I will also add some vignetting minus 33-ish level, and then I will turn it into a black and white. Boom. And now here I want to darken some reds, and I want to pull up little bit oranges +2 probably. So that is pretty much close to the photo which I show you here. So that was a very quick photo tip. That's actually a little bit more darker. So we go down in, so let's see what are the values here on exposure. 1621 and 83 black, 167, and yeah, it doesn't matter, but most is that it's a big difference here now. So that was a quick tip. I will be posting more videos like this, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. And the purpose is to bring a quick tip how I fix my photos, and I'm not a pro, I'm still learning. So if you have some ideas about how I can improve this photo even more, please leave your comments below in the on this video, and of course I will follow it. And please tell me if you want me to post any specific photos. You can look at my Instagram. I have most of my work posted on my Instagram. Have a good day, and bye bye.